Welcome to a beginner's guide to Zotero. Hello, my name is Adam Murray, and in this brief tutorial, I will demonstrate how to install Zotero, an excellent program for organizing your research sources. In addition to showing you how to install it, I will also demonstrate how to use the basic functions. For this tutorial, you will need the following: the latest version of Firefox, and Microsoft Word 2008 or 2011. The first thing we need to do is go to the Zotero website. The URL is zotero.org, and we need to click the Download Now icon. Here you can see that there are two versions, Zotero for Firefox and Zotero Standalone. In this tutorial, we will install Zotero 3.0 for Firefox, the integrated version. Click the Zotero 3.0 for Firefox button. For security reasons, Firefox requires permission from the user to install new software. Click the Allow button. Next, click the Install Now button. We still need to install one more plugin, so select Not Now. Next, we need the plugin for Word. Click the Plugin for Word or LibreOffice link. Scroll down the page and find the link Word for Mac Plugin 3.56. Click Word for Mac Plugin 3.56. Once again, we need to allow Firefox to install new software. Click the Allow button. Okay, once again, click the Install Now button. Since we have finished downloading both plugins, choose Restart Now. Now we can see that there is a Zotero button at the bottom of the screen. Click this Zotero button to access your research sources. As you can see, different icons are used for each research source. For example, a piece of paper for a journal article, a closed book for a book, and an open book for a book chapter. There are three main ways to add sources to your database. The first way is to import sources from web pages. For example, I do a search for blended learning on Google Scholar. When I click on the top hit, the Handbook of Blended Learning, Global Perspectives, Local Designs, it takes me to the Google Books page for this research source. If I look at the right side of the navigation toolbar, I see that there is a book icon. When I click the book icon, the information for the Handbook of Blended Learning is added to my Zotero database. Even if I use a university library search engine such as NovaCat to conduct searches, the results can be imported into my Zotero database. In this search for blended learning in higher education, the result for blended learning for higher education, framework, principles, and guidelines can easily be imported. I click on the book and then I click on the book icon in the navigation toolbar like this. The second way to add sources is to import data from PDF documents. This will not work with all PDF documents, but it will work with most that have been made in recent years. The process is quick and relatively easy. First, I click on the Zotero database. Then I drag the PDF file into the database like this. Second, I right-click the PDF file and I select Retrieve Metadata for PDF. The process will take several seconds, but it is much faster than typing. The third way to add sources is to manually import the information into Zotero. To do this, I click on the New Item icon. In the right panel, I click each field and type the appropriate information. Now I will show you how to add citations to your Microsoft Word document. First, I will go to the Apple script menu and you will notice that there is the Zotero submenu. Okay, I can add bibliography, add citation, or edit or refresh. I will add citation. A submenu will pop up and here are all my resources that have been entered into my Zotero database. In the top right corner, I can either find the resource by a keyword in the title or by the author's name. I will type the author's name. Okay. If necessary, I can also add the page number as well. I click OK. As you can see, the reference has now appeared in my Microsoft Word document. For people who prefer using keyboard shortcuts over using the mouse, Control Option A is the keystroke combination to add a citation. Let's add an additional citation using the keyboard shortcut. Okay, I will type in the author's name. As you can see, there is now Carter 1996. Next thing I will do is I will show you how to add a bibliography. Once again, I will go to the Apple script menu, go down to the Zotero submenu, and select Add Bibliography. As you can see, now there is the bibliography for both of the citations. Well, that's about it for this tutorial. You now know the essentials of using Zotero. You know how to install Zotero, and you know how to add sources to your Zotero database, and you know how to add citations and a bibliography to a Microsoft Word document. My name is Adam Murray, and thank you for watching.